right, so go ahead and introduce yourself for me.
I'm Jill B.
All right, so how long have you been a patient here at Advanced Spinal Care?
About a year and a half.
Okay, and you've experienced NUCCA care for a while before that as well?
Yes, 15 years.
Okay, so what brought you to Dr. Lipinski?
I was seeing someone who retired and the replacement didn't work for me at all, so I started looking for a new doctor.
Okay, so how was it different, your experience with NUCCA? You've gone to a couple different
Well, also I've gone to chiropractors for the last, I had a herniated L5 in the mid-90s. So I've been going to chiropractors for decades.
Okay.
And NUCCA was the first chiropractic kind of treatment that worked and had longer periods in between adjustments, and it got me out of pain for the first time.
What kind of pain were you experiencing?
Well, L5,
yeah.
back.
Okay, so lower back.
Yeah.
And did that...
And being pretty much out of alignment, period.
Yes. So how did that affect your life on a day-to-day?
Well, when you're continually in pain, it's a drag. And it probably affects stuff like mental stuff. So.
Yes. Yes, so now, how's your life differ?
I was in a 4-car accident right after I started seeing him. And I came back and I had a concussion, among other things. And he adjusted me, and I held my adjustment after that. I think he said I was really heavy on one leg. I don't know what it was, but I held my adjustment for at least 6 months, maybe even longer, after being in a 4-car accident. So the change from being in the kind of shape you are in a serious accident to having your spine and that part of your life not be a problem is just huge.
Wow, that's amazing.
And so, but the other thing is, I rely on not having back pain, and I think I have a kind of mental clarity that's probably improved from being adjusted. But just being out of pain and knowing that the adjustments really hold is huge.
Yes. Yes, so you're not getting adjusted every time you're coming in.
I've only been adjusted maybe twice in a year and a half.
Wow.
Possibly 3 times, but I think twice.
And everybody's body's different.
And the second time was after I fell down some stairs. It's interesting because although I've been doing NUCCA for such a long time, this is the first time I've held like this.
Wow.
So
that says a lot about Dr. Lipinski and his skill set, for sure.
There's something he's doing that's very right.
Yes. Well, if someone was looking at NUCCA and hadn't experienced care with NUCCA before, what would you tell them to encourage them?
I'd say hurry up and get over here.
Yeah. Great. Well, thank you.
Okay.
Thanks for your story.